Hey YouTube, today we're going to be opening up another Pokemon Go tin. Last time we opened up a Pokemon Go Pikachu tin. This one is a Blissey tin. So we're just going to open that one up. First I want to remind everybody about the giveaway we're doing. We're giving away a Regidrago V Crown Zenith Collection box. This just came out today, actually, when I'm recording this. So I picked it up at Target, and we're going to be giving this away whenever I hit 25 subscribers. When that happens, I'm just going to make a video. I'll, put all my subscribers on a wheel, spin the wheel, and then I'm actually going to open the box and kind of open the card packs and everything and make a video out of it, just because I need extra content. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Anyway, after that, I'll put it back together and then mail it to whoever won. So definitely subscribe, like the video, comment, all that good stuff. All right, let's just jump into this then. All right, Blissey 10. Let's open this up, see what we got. Oh my gosh. We're starting out with a damaged Blissey Hollow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And for some reason there's a Pikachu underneath it. I was not expecting that. Same Pikachu we got last time. Damaged, so that sucks. How did that get damaged? I don't know. Okay, surprise. Pikachu. This is the promo. From last time. Thankfully the last one wasn't damaged. This one is very damaged. That's annoying. Okay. I think this was on sale. No wonder. It's at Walmart though. Whatever. Not a big deal. Maybe I'll find one of these again, and hopefully it won't be damaged. Hopefully the other things inside aren't damaged. Alright, there's your code card. This one's for the box. And got 4 Pokemon Go packs with just the sticker thing that I got last time. Yeah, same stickers as last time. Somebody can redeem this for a Pokemon Go reward. I don't know what it gives you, but there you go. Have fun. Let's just hop into these packs. Hopefully these aren't damaged, like I said. Okay. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. There's your energy. Oop, I think I saw we got a hollow something in the back. Alright, we got Blanche, Unpheasant, Solrock, Pikachu, Squirtle, Meltan, Bidoof, Magikarp. Ooh, Tyranitar. It's the reverse. I like that card. I like that one a lot. And for the rare, we got a reverse Blastoise. We got a reverse Blastoise. We got this last time. I did mention I like it. Still like it, although it kind of sucks to get a duplicate. Whatever. We'll still put that in the sleeve. Alright, on to pack 2. Okay, I think these have the same exact art on the wrapper. Okay, there's your code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. What will we get this time? Ariados, Steelix, Zatu, Apom, Bulbasaur, P-Dove, Magikarp, Meltan, Chansey Reverse. Okay. For the rare, got a Melmetal Hollow. We got that last time also. And then there's the Water Energy. So far 2 duplicates. Hollow Blastoise, Hollow Melmetal. Awesome. Hopefully we can get something new in the next 2 packs. Pack number 3. Let's change it up a little bit. Give me something new. Since the last video, I've looked it up what some valuable cards are. There's like 3 different Mewtwo cards that are all very valuable. So anything like that would be very nice. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. There's a Dark Energy. And we have a Wartortle. We have a Rare Candy. We have a Camerupt. We have a Larvitar. We have an Apom, Spinarak, a Rattata, a Wimpod. Oh, Radiant Charizard. That's a good card. I was looking this up. This is a very good card. Wow. Alright, I'm happy with this 10 then. Radiant Charizard, baby. That is a good one. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Very cool. I'm going to put that in the hard case too. I love Charizard. Everybody loves Charizard. Alright, let's see what we have on the end. Can't be better than a Radiant Charizard though. Yep, Hollow Golisopod. I'm okay though. Got the shiny Charizard. Let's put these both in their sleeves. Alright, this is a success just because I got this thing. Here's your Hollow Golisopod. It's okay, at least it wasn't a duplicate like the first 2. And let's see what we have in our final pack. I think we've hit the peak with that Radiant Charizard, but maybe we can get a surprise in this last pack. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. There's your Grass Energy. Okay, we got a Pupitar, Chansey, Spark, Pikachu, Spinarak, Alolan Rattata, Bidoof, Charmander. Ooh, Reverse Venusaur. I'm okay with that. And our last rare of the day is a Dragonite V. Okay. So last time we got the full art version of this card. Actually, I think I like this artwork a little better, even though it's not a full art. So this is the card we just pulled, Dragonite V, regular art. And the card we pulled last video out of the Pikachu tin is the Dragonite V full art version. This card is worth a little more. It's definitely shinier, but I like this artwork a little better. So I got both. I'm happy. So let's save this last card up. All right. There's our 2 Dragonites in 2 tins. Very cool. Alright guys, so just to recap what we pulled, we managed to get a damaged Blissey card and a damaged Pikachu promo card. So that was not a good start to the video. But we got a Holo Gliscopod, Holo Melmetal, which was a duplicate. Same with the Blastoise, this was a duplicate as well. We got the Dragonite V regular art. And last but certainly not least, we got ourselves a Radiant Charizard. Everybody loves Charizard. It's shiny. This is definitely the best card we've pulled today. So I'm happy even though I got those damaged cards in this tin. I think this was a success. Alright, that'll do it for this video, guys. Don't forget about the giveaway. Make sure to subscribe. When we hit 25 subscribers, we're giving away a Regidrago V collection from Crown Zenith that just came out. So be sure to subscribe and watch out for the video of me opening this box and giving it away to somebody. Alright, thanks everyone. Have a great day.